Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to create administrator account via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Botier email account. Then, in your The Home page, click Settings tab at the top of CMS. Scroll down and you'll see the Administrator Account section. Please note that you can add up to 5 administrator accounts. Administrator accounts let your employees manage your store for you. They don't have access to payment options, subscription plan and publication of your store. Fill in your employee name and email address. Once done, click Create. As soon as you created a new administrator account, your employees can log into your Botier account in both app and CMS by using the email provided. An email with the login credentials will be sent to the email provided. Please reset password immediately once have logged in. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.